If you've ever tried to connect your robot vacuum to your smart home, you know the frustration. Different apps for different devices. Some work with Alexa, others with Google Home, but rarely both. And don't even think about switching ecosystems unless you want to replace everything. That's changing. Matter is the new smart home standard that's solving this exact problem, and robot vacuums are finally getting on board. Today, I'm breaking down what Matter actually is, why it matters for your robot vacuum, and whether you should care. Matter is a universal smart home language created by the Connectivity Standards Alliance. Basically, all of the big tech companies working together for once. Think of it like USB-C, but for your smart home. Here's what makes it different. Traditional smart devices speak proprietary languages. Your robot vacuum speaks Alexa, while your lights speak Google Home. You need separate apps, separate routines, and a lot of patience. Matter changes this. One standard that works across Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings simultaneously. No bridges, no extra hubs, just one device that works everywhere. 3 key benefits. First, true cross-platform compatibility. Buy a Matter-compatible vacuum today, and it works with whatever ecosystem you choose, or all of them at once. Switch from iPhone to Android next year, your vacuum still works. Second, local control. Matter uses local communication protocols like Thread and Wi-Fi, meaning your vacuum doesn't need cloud servers to respond. Faster commands, fewer connectivity failures, and it still works if your internet goes down. Third, future-proofing. As the smart home market evolves, Matter devices get continuous updates. You're not locked into one manufacturer's shrinking ecosystem. Without Matter, your robot vacuum is an island. You open its app, press clean, it cleans. Maybe you set a schedule. That's about it. With Matter, your vacuum becomes part of your home's nervous system. Real-world example. You leave for work. Your smart lock detects you've left and locks the door. That signal triggers your robot vacuum to start cleaning automatically. No app, no voice command, just smart automation. Another scenario. Your security system's motion sensors detect no activity for 30 minutes during the day. Your vacuum starts its cycle. When someone arrives home and unlocks the door, it automatically returns to its dock. This is possible because Matter lets devices from different manufacturers communicate directly. Your August smart lock can talk to your eufy vacuum without you building complex workarounds or IFTTT recipes. The connectivity improvements matter too. Traditional Wi-Fi only vacuums often disconnect, requiring you to reconnect them through their apps. Matter's use of Thread, a mesh networking protocol, means more reliable connections and faster response times when you issue voice commands. Matter's support for robot vacuums is still new, but it's arriving. eufy currently offers 2 Matter-compatible models. The eufy Robot Vacuum Omni E25, 20,000 Pascal suction power with iPath laser navigation. This is their vacuum-only model that maps your home precisely and provides strong cleaning performance. The eufy Robot Vacuum Omni E28, same 20,000 Pascal suction, but adds hybrid mopping capability for homes that need both vacuuming and mopping in one device. Both integrate directly into Matter ecosystems, without requiring eufy's proprietary app for basic controls, though you may want the app for advanced features, like room-specific cleaning or scheduling. What to consider before buying. Not all features work through Matter yet. You'll get basic controls, start, stop, return to dock, battery status. But advanced features like room mapping or custom cleaning schedules still require manufacturer apps. Matter's robot vacuum specification is evolving, so future updates may add more functionality. If you're building a new smart home or upgrading, Matter compatibility is worth prioritizing. If you're already deep in one ecosystem and happy, it's less urgent, but still provides that insurance policy if you ever want to switch. Matter isn't perfect yet, but it's the first real solution to smart home fragmentation. For robot vacuums, it means freedom. Freedom to choose your ecosystem, switch platforms, and build truly automated routines. If you find this helpful, hit subscribe. I break down smart home tech without the hype. See you in the next one.